Welcome back. In this lesson, we will talk about module called time. First, we will import time module. This module we used to measure the time that the code needed to execute. And the purpose of this is to measure the performance of the program. So if we have a code that do a job and we wanted to and we have also another code that do the same job and we want to know which code is best, so we used time module to measure the time that each code needed to execute, and the code that consume less time is the best code. Okay, how we can do this? First, we initiate a variable called start time. In this variable, we type time dot time, and also we initiate a variable called end time. And in this variable, we type time dot time, same as the above line. Between those two lines of code, between the start time and the end time, we here type the code lines. For example, let's first hide this. For example, we have a for that loop through a range which is 10,000 number, and print these numbers. Just measure the time, so we initiate the start variable before the code and the end time variable after the code, and here we print the difference between the end and the start to see the time consumed. We can also, instead of this, initiate a variable called time consumed, and this variable is the end minus the start, and here we print time consumed. Here is the time consumed is 14119, 0.1419. If we increase this number to 100,000, we will notice that this time increased. Let's see. The time become 1 second, 0.349. So as long as the code lines increased, or the loop increased, or the code become less performance, the time consumed to execute this code will last for long. Okay, let's type here to complete the form. Also print this time consumed. By this, we have reached to the end of the lesson, and see you in the next lessons.